Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, and yeah, just a little trading review on Expert Option. Like I said before, there's certain platforms that I always use in the background. So even if I'm not reviewing them, if I'm reviewing something new, I've been using Expert Option for years. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick little trading review. I'm looking at the pound against the US dollar, and you can see if we go back, you can see that it's hit this high point here, then it's come down, and it's worked its way back up again, and now it's on its way back down. So you can see there's a pattern there. So what I'm going to do is while this is on its way back down, place some put trades. So you can see I'm placing $200 trades. So I want to get a couple in before that. Let's just zoom in, get it in right, nice and close. A couple more. Very simple to use, but the only thing is you need to be on here watching it. You can't just it's not something you can just walk away. It's not, you need to be on here watching it. So you can see I've seen that pattern. It gone up, it's on its way back down, it's gone up again, and now you can see the direction that it's on its way back down. No, it's a shame I can't get them while they're in that. I mean, it is risky trading like this, but this strategy that I use tends to work. There we go, lovely. So even though a little bit squeaky bum there, where it's gone back up, overall it's just looking at that overall direction. The pattern, looking for a pattern. You've seen it's gone up, it's come down, it's gone up again, and then it's on its way back down. So just over $1,000's profit. So what I'm doing is here, I'm waiting for it to spike up and then place a put trade as the overall direction that it's on its way down. Obviously these can change very quickly. Yes, got that just on that pinnacle there. Oh, what's up the amount? It's still on its way down. Oh, missed it. Oh no, I got it. Look. So basically what I do is look for a pattern. So there, I've seen it's gone up, it's come down, it's gone up again, then it's obviously it's going to come back down. It's following that pattern. And then, I should have placed another one there. Like I say, it is risky though. It's not investment advice, it's just my strategy, how I do it. Just follow a pattern. So it's just going to be a quick little review just to show you how I do it, as I've had a few people ask. So there, another 1,600 profit. So yeah, basically just looking at the direction, seeing where it's going, seeing the pattern. You've seen that that's now on its, although there's spikes up and down, the overall direction of that is on its way down. So then it's just a case of waiting for it to go in the opposite direction, and then placing the trade. So how long have I been on here? 4 minutes, and I've made I can't remember what I was on, but over $1,000 in 4 minutes. you know, happy with that. Yeah, so there you have it. Very simple. That's how I use it. So yeah, if you want to try it out for yourself, there's a link below the video. If you've got anything that's working for you, let me know. Don't forget thumbs up if you like the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Got something new coming out that I've been told about, but as soon as I hear some more about it, I shall let you know. So stay tuned, and yeah, I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.